first ever footage of a Wolf Ridge. Hold on, let me get you right here. Wolf Ridge 28 compact commercial repairing an aluminum wheel.
Everything's closed the wrong way.
See where it's bent right there? My brother is attempting to take this machine and straighten this wheel. And I believe he may possibly
Gonna split that piece of wood so quick it ain't funny. You know what? Gonna split my wood so fast it ain't funny. Need something besides wood, I reckon. We'll try it though.
Okay, first attempt, it don't work.
You bend it a little bit. My face gonna split it.
That's open, you go, that's as strong as it gets.
You better like this.
There you go.
Get the pressure right. You need to be rounded. That's not gonna help.
Guys, I would help him, but I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just down. Look at there, guys. He helped it a lot.
Look, 3 and 1. Look. Already popped.
Did you break it?
Yeah. It's still now.
I
It's
see
either
a
that or a
hammer
hammer with
cracking,
it.
and I don't know, guys. He may have ruined it. He was trying. He hit something that did it. So he was just trying.
We'll have to put silicone in there.
Multi-purpose 28 compact commercial Wolf Ridge wheel straightener.
It's straight enough to get the bead right.
If anybody can do it, that man right there will make anything work. We've called him MacGyver for years.
Got to go get some epoxy.